The deadliest foods in the world. Food is essential for survival, but not all foods are safe to eat. Some delicacies around the world come with deadly risks if they are not prepared or consumed correctly. From toxic fish to lethal plants, these foods can cause severe illness, paralysis, or even death. Whether due to natural toxins, bacteria, or poor preparation methods, these dishes should be approached with extreme caution. Here's an in-depth look at some of the deadliest foods in the world. 1. Fugu, pufferfish. Japan. Fugu is one of the most famous yet dangerous dishes in Japanese cuisine. This pufferfish contains tetrodotoxin, a potent neurotoxin that is 1,200 times more toxic than cyanide. Even a small amount can cause paralysis, respiratory failure, and death within hours. Since there is no known antidote, consuming improperly prepared fugu can be fatal. In Japan, only highly trained and licensed chefs are allowed to prepare fugu. They must undergo years of rigorous training to ensure that all toxic parts, mainly the liver, intestines, and ovaries, are carefully removed. Despite these precautions, accidental poisonings still occur every year. 2. Ackee fruit. Jamaica. Ackee is Jamaica's national fruit, but when unripe, it contains hypoglycin, a toxin that can cause Jamaican vomiting sickness. This condition leads to severe vomiting, hypoglycemia, dangerously low blood sugar, coma, and even death. To safely eat ackee, the fruit must be fully ripened and naturally open on the tree. The seeds and underdeveloped parts are always poisonous and should never be consumed. Despite these dangers, ackee is a beloved ingredient in Jamaican cuisine, especially when paired with saltfish. 3. Cassava, manioc. South America, Africa, Asia. Cassava is a widely consumed root vegetable, but it contains cyanogenic glycosides, which can release cyanide when eaten raw or improperly prepared. There are two types of cassava. Sweet cassava contains lower levels of cyanide and is generally safer. Bitter cassava has much higher cyanide levels and must be thoroughly soaked, fermented, or cooked before eating. If not processed correctly, cassava can cause cyanide poisoning, leading to dizziness, paralysis, or even death. Chronic exposure to improperly prepared cassava can also cause a neurological disorder called konzo, which results in irreversible paralysis. 4. Sanakji, live octopus. South Korea. Sanakji is a dish made from live baby octopus, which is cut into small pieces and served immediately while the tentacles are still moving. The biggest danger comes from the suction cups on the tentacles, which can latch onto the throat and cause choking. Every year, a few people, mostly intoxicated diners, die from suffocation after eating sanakji. To reduce the risk, it's recommended to chew thoroughly before swallowing. 5. Hakal, fermented shark. Iceland. Hakal is a traditional Icelandic dish made from fermented Greenland shark meat. The fresh meat of this shark is highly toxic because it contains trimethylamine oxide, TMAO, which the body converts into a deadly neurotoxin. To make it safe to eat, the shark meat undergoes a fermentation process that takes several months. However, if improperly fermented, the toxins remain, leading to serious health risks such as nausea, dizziness, and even poisoning. Even when prepared correctly, hakal has an overpowering ammonia-like smell and is considered an acquired taste. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed learning about the deadliest foods in the world. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and eat wisely.